last class. Good morning, children. See, last class we learned exercise 2.1. Some questions we have completed. Up to sixth question we have completed. Now seventh one, 2x by 3 is equal to 18. See, children, all of you open your class works. Note down in your class works whatever I have written on the board. Yes. Now 2x by 3 is equal to 18. Now see, children. So here there is no denominator. Let us take 1 as a denominator. Then take the cross multiplication. So 2x is equal to 18 into 3. So 2x is equal to 18 3s are 54. So x is equal to 54 by 2. So x is equal to 27 times. So the variable is, so x value is 27. Now see eighth one. So 1.6 is equal to y by 1.5. Now see, children, here also there is no denominator. Let us take 1 as a denominator. Now take the cross multiplication. So 1 into y is equal to 1.5 into 1.6. So y is equal to 1.5 into 1.6. So y 16 5s are 80, 0. Next 16 1 are 16 plus 8, 24. So after point 2, 1 place, 1 place. So y is equal to 2.4. Now say, children, ninth one is homework for you. Now 10th one. See, 10th one is also homework. Now 11th one. So 17 plus 6p is equal to 9. Now see, children, here 6p constant is 6p is equal to 9 minus 17. Now 6p is equal to, so plus 9 minus 17, 17 minus 9 is 8, minus 8, p is equal to minus 8 by 6. So both are multiples of 2, 2 fours are, 2 threes are, so p is equal to minus 4 by 3. Now see, children, 12th one. Now 12th one, x by 3 plus 1 is equal to 7 by 15. Now see, x by 3 is equal to, transpose the constants. So 7 by 15 minus 1. So x by 3 is equal to, here there is no denominator. Let us take 1 as a denominator. So 15 is the LCM. So 15, in this 15 only one time. 1 into 7 is 7. So minus 15. So x by 3 is equal to 15 minus 7. So minus 8 by 15. Now take cross multiplication. So 15 into x is equal to 8 3s are minus 24. So x is equal to minus 24 by 15. So 3 8s are, 3 5s are. So x is equal to minus 8 by 5. See, children, exercise 2.1 completed now. Now 2.2 is not there for the test. Later on I will complete 2.2 linear equations applications. Next, today I will start exercise 2.3. So for examination point of view, chapter 1 complete chapter and chapter 2 2.1 and 2.3 only. So today I will start 2.3 also. See, 2.3, solving the equation. Till now we completed variable only on one side. So in 2.3, solving the given linear equation when variable on the both sides. Now right children? Solving equations having the variable on both sides. Now see example. So 2x minus 3 is equal to x plus 2. Now see children, if you are observing here, variable on the both sides, LHS side and RHS side. So write all variables in one side, all constants in another side. So here 2x, so here plus x is there, transpose, it becomes minus x. Now here plus 2 is there, transpose minus 3 becomes plus 3. So 2x minus x is equal to x is equal to 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So x value is 5. So write all variables on one side, all constants on other side. Next, exercise 2.3. See children, all of you open your textbook, exercise 2.3, page number 30. Solving the following equations and check your result. Now see children, exercise 2.3, page number 30. See first question, 3x is equal to 2x plus 18. Now see children, variable on the both sides. Write all variables on one side and constants on other side. So 3x, 2x is transposing becomes minus 2x is equal to 18. 3x minus 2x is equal to, so x is equal to 18. The question is asking check your result, means substitute x value in the given linear equation. It should be LHS is equal to RHS. So the given equation is 3x is equal to 2x plus 18. Substitute x value. 3 into 18 is equal to 2 into 18 plus 18. So 18 3s are 54 is equal to 18 2s are 36 plus 18. So 54 is equal to 54. So therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Now second one is homework children. Now third question copy down. Now what is third question? 5x plus 9 is equal to 5 plus 3x. Now see, 5x and 3x variable on both sides. So 3x is transposing plus 3x becomes minus 3x is equal to 5 plus 9 becomes minus 9. Now 2x, 5x minus 3x is equal to 2x is equal to plus 5 minus 9 minus 4. So 2x is equal to minus 4 by 2. So 2 times x is equal to minus 2. Now substitute the x value in the given linear equation. So 5x plus 9 is equal to 5 plus 3x. So what is x value? Minus 2 plus 9 is equal to 5 plus 3 minus 2. So minus 10 plus 9 is equal to 5 plus minus 6. So plus into minus minus, 10 minus 9 is minus 1 is equal to plus minus 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 1. So therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Now see, fourth one is homework for you. Now fifth question. See fifth question, 2x minus 1 is equal to 14 minus x. Now transpose the x value, 2x, here minus x becomes plus x is equal to 14, minus 1 becomes plus 1. So 2x plus x is 3x is equal to 15, x is equal to 15 by 3, so 3 5 times, so x is equal to 5. So check the x, substitute the x value in the given linear equation. So 2x minus 1 is equal to 14 minus x. So 2 into 5 minus 1 is equal to 14 minus 5. So 2 5s are 10 minus 1 is equal to 14 minus 5 is equal to 9. So 9 is equal to 9. So therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Now say children, sixth question. Now sixth one copy down children. See sixth question. So 8x plus 4 is equal to 3 into x minus 1 plus 7. Now see children. So 8x plus 4 is equal to 3x minus 3 multiply. Binomial is multiplied by the monomial plus 7. Now transpose the x value. So 8x minus 3x is equal to minus 3 plus 7 minus 4. So 5x is equal to two negative values. Add and keep the negative symbol. So plus 7 and minus 7 will be cancelled. So 5x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 by 5. So x is equal to 0. So substitute the 0 in the given linear equation. So 8x plus 4 is equal to 3x minus 3 plus 7. Now see, 8 into 0 plus 4 is equal to 3 into 0 minus 3 plus 7. So 0 plus 4 is equal to 0 plus 4, which is equals to 4 is equal to 4. So therefore LHS is equal to RHS. See children, and then we will complete next sums in the next class. Thank you.